kinakabahan ka. Hindi naman daw. Sabi niya sa akin kanina. Okay. Hindi zero ang anak natin. Okay. What makes a child truly beautiful or handsome? O in Tagalog, ha? Ano daw yung nagpapaganda o nagpapagwapo sa isang bata? Katulad mo, di ba? Why do you think kids are called pretty or handsome?
Ganyan.
Like you're so pretty, right?
Go, in and out, in and out. Beautiful, beautiful, in and out. Beautiful, go.
Ayan, sobrang saya niya po sa mga sandali.
Beautiful, inside out. It's okay.
Okay.
Oh no.
It's okay, it's okay.
Beautiful.
It's okay, Via. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Via. You're